everyone, and welcome to an unexpected happy mail video. So the other day I got a package and it was something I did not expect. I have even said here on the channel that I would never get these. My name is Katja, I'm CatColouring. Grab yourself a nice cup of coffee or a mug of tea and watch as I show you what I got for my happy mail. Well, I don't know if you have been following me for quite a while or if you're new to this channel, but I did a comparison last summer of some colored pastel pencils that I had. And these pastel pencils were the 4 brands from the Brut Pruner macarons and the Holbein pastels and the pastel tints from CatColouring, and then, you know, some of the pastel-like colors from Black Widows. And I made a comparison and I found out that, well, at least I thought that the Brut Pruner macarons worked the best. The Holbeins were, for the price and the color range, absolutely stunning and beautiful, but the Brut Pruner macarons had the same colors. It was nearly 100% the same colors, and they were cheaper and they performed absolutely brilliant. And were easier to blend together. And I said in that video that I liked the Holbein pastels. I didn't regret buying them. Now I had them, but I wouldn't invest in the Holbein set because I thought that, well, I have a lot of nice pencil sets and they were quite expensive. So my surprise was really big, and it's one of my subscribers, and she has been my subscriber for, well, almost the beginning of my journey here on YouTube, and she wants to remain anonymous, and of course I respect that a lot. But she has sent me these, the Holbein Artist Colored Pencil 150 set, and I am absolutely stunned, and thank you so much. Of course, I will accept this when you have bothered buying these for me and sending them to me. I am really stunned and really grateful that you have done it. And I, of course, respect that I can't say your name and praise you with your name, but I will do so here, although you are anonymous. So thank you so much. So now I have the Holbein set of 150 colors. So let's look at them. Let's take a little look here. It's certainly wrapped in plastic here. So I will just make some noise while removing the plastic, like I usually do when I unbox something. Okay. So, it's a fairly hefty set here, can feel the weight, 150 colors. So I am guessing, because I'm not an expert in these, I haven't seen them like this before, but I am guessing I can see I have the neon colors here, or fluorescent colors, or what they are. And I actually have shown you those because I have a little small set I bought from Amazon Japan. I think it was last summer, with these 6 fluorescent colors. And of course I have the pastel colors, but there must be a lot of colors here that I have not seen before. So if I turn it around, we can see the entire color range here. And it says, oh, I hope this box is just so big. I hope you can see it all. Holbein Artists Colored Pencil, set of 150 colors. 150 oil-based colored pencils with a medium hard lead, 3.8 millimeters in diameter. Smooth and easy to draw, blend, and overpaint colors. And then certified AP in conformance with ASTM D4236. So that must be some sign of some kind of certificate they have. And I can see it's since 1900 that Holbein has been in production. And we can certainly see they have a nice range of green colors when I just look at it here. Wow. Okay, well, let's take a look at these colors. So, oops, if I remove the lid, we have a little little pamphlet here. We have a nice sheet here where you can swatch the colors. Of course, I will also make my own, but very nice here. A little protection sheet here. And here they are. And this is just, well, the normal coloring pencils. And they are in a plastic tray and then in a cardboard box tray here. So, no just lifting the plastic tray up and balancing it. You just lift them up here. And here you have them. Very shiny. And if I remove this, another protection sheet. Wow. And another tray, and here we can see the metallic colors. And again, plastic tray in a cardboard box here. And the final layer down here, again protected with a sheet. And we have the fluorescent colors here and all of the pastel colors. So these pastel colors I know I have. But beautiful they are nonetheless. But I have always liked pastel colors very much. You can see that these pencils, when I get them, they are very, flat here at the tip. Or rather different sizes. This is more blunt, this is really flat. A funny difference when you buy such an expensive set. But okay. Certainly nice. You can see with gold writing, Holbein Artist Colored Pencil, Japan. And here we can see the Holbein stamp. And the color name Shell Pink. We have the 2 stars. That's for the light fastness. And then it says OP019, the color number. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I really love these pastel colors. But of course we will have to sharpen them all and then swatch them. Porcelain blue. Yeah. But let me take a look because I am... Oh, almost forgot this protective sheet. Because now it's here, then we will have to use it. I have to say that they are really well protected in this case. So I'm not quite sure if I want to remove them and put them in a pencil case. Because this is a very, very nice storage of these pencils. So, well, we do have some gray colors. Warm gray, cold gray. We have 2 white pencils. That is really, really, really nice. Because the white pencil and also 2 black pencils are some of the pencils that you use the most, especially if you want to use, white for blending. Then we have some nice brown colors. I really like brown colors, and especially dark brown colors. We also have a couple of ochre colors here, not that many. And then we have some more olive tones, mossy tones, and green colors. And if we look at this one, still, we will have to protect these expensive pencils. Oh, we have a nice range of green colors. There are really, really a lot of green colors. If I remove this one, green colors, and then here, a couple of teal colors also, but a lot of green colors. Also, a lot of violet, purple colors here. I'm actually quite excited to swatch them. You can see that we have a lot of dark colors here, but that's because all of the light colors are down in the pastel set down below at the 3rd tray. We have some really nice yellow, orangey colors here. Couple of reds. These look really nice. And I think more reds than we find in the Derwent sets. Let's see here. Carmine. So carmine red and madder red and signal red. And here we move over to the orange tone scarlet, which is always sort of a orangey red. sort of color, and vermilion, definitely orange. And then we have carnation, which is the sort of lightest of the pink colors of the normal color range up here, which is not pastel. Well, I am certainly so happy that I have got these, and I think that I will just sharpen them and swatch them, and then we can see the colors in action before we close this video, so you can, you know, see the colors with me. So I have now just sharpened and swatched the pencils, and I have to say they were really easy to sharpen. That was such a pleasure to sharpen them. I used my Dali 133, and I also used this electric sharpener from Derwent, and both worked wonders on these pencils. So you can see here I have made my own color chart with the 150 colors. It's so many colors you have to swatch, so it really took some time, but you can see here the colors, beautiful, bright, wonderful colors, very easy to lay down. I usually do this, that I begin with pressure and ease the pressure, so we get a gradient from pressure to hardly any pressure, but there was so much pigment that you can hardly see that I have 3 different sort of color gradients here, because the second and the third over here with a light pressure, it was almost the same, because they are just so pigmented that there's so much color coming down on the paper. It's amazing. There were so many green colors and not that many blue colors, but well, then you get to the other page and then all of the pastel colors come, and you can see here we have some nice pastel colors, both blue and green, and both bright and more muted tones. A lot of nice skin tones also. And I found out that the 2 blacks were different. The one was called black and the other lamp black. And then we had white and a soft white. And the soft white, it says on the pencil that you have to sharpen it with a knife. So I didn't know that, but I certainly know that now. The luminous colors and also the metallic colors, which I have to say for metallic colors are very metallic. A lot of metallic colors are usually scratchy, but overall, my impression of these pencils is that they are very, very soft and nice to lay down, almost as soft as Prismacolors. Really, really nice. And you can see here I've also gotten the color family chart from Color with Claire, and I have also swatched them here, and it's also very, very nice to have these color family charts. I have an upcoming episode in my tips and tricks for beginner colorists where I will talk about choosing colors, and color family charts play a big role in that video, but more about that later. Anyway, I am so happy that I got these, so thank you once again to my dear subscriber who sent me these. I'm really, really happy about it. And thank you for watching this little happy mail video from me. I hope that you are enjoying spring. And until I see you in the next video, take care of yourself. Have a lovely day. Happy coloring. Bye.